What are the top 5 challenges which a manufacturer face in his business without systems? सबसे पहला, delayed orders. जब आपके पास कोई order tracking system ना हो तो आप मैनुअली ऑर्डर्स को ट्रैक करने में लग जाते हो एंड इवन आफ्टर दैट आपके ऑर्डर्स डिले हो जाते हैं, which results first of all in poor customer experience, and secondly your payments get delayed, which results in poor cash flow as well. Number 2, out of control inventory. Sometimes you don't have enough material to process in the order and sometimes inventory is overflowing. Number 3, firefighting among teammates. कुछ आपने अपने teammates को काम दिया, वो complete नहीं कर पाए and then you are firefighting with them, following up with them whether they have done the work or not. So every day spending hours on just following up with your teammates whether they have done the work or not. So ये थर्ड एक चैलेंज है जो एक मैन्युफैक्चरर को चीफ फॉलोअप ऑफिसर बना देता है, जहां वो पूरा दिन फॉलोअप करता रहता है. नंबर 4, आपको जो नई इंक्वायरीज आ रही हैं, यू आर नॉट एबल टू ट्रैक इट एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच यू हैव इनकंसिस्टेंट सेल्स. कभी किसी मंथ सेल्स अप है एंड समटाइम्स बिजनेस इज लो एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी अदर वे टू grow it. Type agree in the comment box if you're facing these challenges in your business as well. Now, what is the fifth challenge? That is uncontrolled and unplanned expenses that eat up margins quickly. These are the 5 challenges which manufacturers are facing in their business, running the business without systems.